you know, S10. There you have it, the Samsung Galaxy Buds, which as we have it right now, the best AirPod competitor. Supposedly, maybe, possibly, we'll find out. We're gonna definitely put that to the test. Obviously, I got these for pre-ordering the Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus. You got a free pair of Galaxy Buds. So I wanna go ahead and open these bad boys up. Get your extra tips in here. Oh, and charging cable. Wow. All right. Turn it up real quick. Let's see what we got. Okay, Samsung. So obviously, so far, the Samsung Galaxy Buds, they banging, they booming, you know what I'm saying? It's nice, good noise cancellation for the most part, because you got that in-ear. Anytime you got that in-ear with those rubber tips, getting that good sound cover. Matter of fact, I'm probably loud right now. Number one, right off bat, what I noticed with these is they fit my ear a lot better than AirPods. Now AirPods, I do just well with them, but the fit in these, I feel like legit, I can go for a run. These are good for fitness. These are equipped with IPX2, which is splash resistance, sweat resistance, you know, a little slight spill resistance. Basically, they're not water resistant, but they can take a little splash, you know what I'm saying? They can take a little sweat. You go get your run on, get your swag on, and these will be just fine. So the fit, I'm loving. So you get 3 of these, 3 different sizes. The one that was standard in there works just fine with me. Usually I have to go down to the smaller one. So bravo Samsung for getting the ear tip right for the average person. I don't know if I have average ears. You know, I don't know, you wanna investigate and see. Yes, it does cut off your ambience, and there is that ambient sound feature on there, and you can set it and turn up the volume of it, and it basically seems like it has like a microphone and it's listening and it feeds it to you. It's a little weird. I doubt I would use ambient sound, but what I do love about the ambient sound is if I'm listening to something, let's go ahead and hit that her again, you know what I'm saying? Come on, player. I'm hitting it with the Apple AirPod taps. See, yeah, the Samsung taps are different. I could control it on my Galaxy Watch. Control my volume at the turn of a bezel. Ooh, Samsung. Say I'm booming, like right now I'm booming. Don't come talking to me when my head not like this. You don't want none, you don't want none. And then I can just long hold. It does kind of like a lightweight mute. Oh, wow, and the microphone thing cuts on. It's really weird, you hear yourself. Check that out. I like the idea, hey, someone talking to me, I could just kind of press. I'm still listening to my music, but it's at a lower attenuated level, able to have whatever they're saying be amplified and pushed into my ear, you know what I mean? Or just pull one out, what's up? Okay, you ain't talking about nothing? So the functionality so far is pretty sweet. I like the sound. I did kind of check the connectivity, and I have these thick, crazy, not Bluetooth friendly walls. I will say this, I think the AirPods got a further connectivity. I don't know, we're gonna have to test this. I will put it to the test in a real world use type of situation. So the dope points about the Galaxy Buds and what make them a sure go. Number one, AKG is behind the sound and the tuning, and that's A1. Anytime you're having a company that's experienced in a niche and they're performing in that niche for something, which is sound from AKG, you're gonna win right there. So the sound is pretty good. I like it so far. Now, I will in the further full review, you know, I'm gonna break it down. I gotta listen to some more of my tunes and see how it really breaks down. The ambient sound option, cool, it's okay, you know what I'm saying? It is what it is. You get up to 13 hours battery life. If you got your Galaxy Buds at full charge, you're getting 6 hours, and then you get 7 hours extended with the battery case. And then they got the IPX2 splash, sweat proof, spill proof. That's a plus. AirPods don't even have that. So if you sweat or sweat profusely, I'm sorry for you. I feel bad for you that that's what you, but anyways, beyond your condition, you might ruin your AirPods, but with Galaxy Buds, you are covered. So what's coming up? I will be testing the Galaxy Buds with an iPhone to give those iPhone users who can't use the AirPods, see if they have an option with the Galaxy Buds. We're gonna get into a detailed review with the Galaxy Buds, and we're gonna go get fit with them. You know what I'm saying? I got a Galaxy Watch Fit coming, and yeah, I ain't been on the court or nowhere out and man, I'm gonna have to stretch, you know what I'm saying? So I don't hurt myself. But anyways, I just wanted to unbox and give a quick overview of the Galaxy Buds. So far, so good. The connectivity is great, it's fast, it's snappy, it's reactive. You know what I'm saying? I got my Galaxy Watch, I got my little Samsung ecosystem going. It's day one of ditching the iPhone XS Max, and I'm doing okay. You know what I'm saying? I even left the iPhone behind when I ran an errand early this morning. So yeah, I'm doing quite fine, quite well. My name is CJ, this is CJ Knows Tech. Let me kill my alarm real quick, you know, with the smartwatch, Galaxy Watch. Why you need a Galaxy Watch coming soon. And the Galaxy Fit as well. So my name is CJ, this is CJ Knows Tech, where I love to talk tech and anything creative. And today we just unbox the Galaxy Buds, baby. Free with the pre-order of a Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus. Hopefully you got them that way, and yeah. Take notes, Apple, I'm out. And then, oh man, oh, that's disgusting.